Imagine doubling your crop yield with just a tap on your smartphone. From drones mapping your fields to sensors monitoring soil health, agri-tech is the future of farming. Picture this: drones flying over your land, giving you real-time data on crop conditions. No more guesswork, just precise information. Ever thought about using AI to predict the perfect time to plant? Or how about automated tractors that can plow, seed, and harvest without you lifting a finger? This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now. Smart irrigation systems that save water and boost yields, livestock trackers that keep tabs on your herd's health, and all of it accessible from your phone or tablet. Agri-tech means more efficiency, bigger harvests, and a brighter future for every farmer. So why wait? Embrace the tech and watch your farm thrive like never before. Join the agri-tech revolution today. Your fields will thank you.